Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So today we are doing another mystery unboxing. If you have not gone and seen the first one, you should probably go check that out just so you kind of know what to expect. But basically it's pretty self-explanatory. We just unbox something and you have no idea what I'm unboxing. I think that should be the case for this today as well. If you can always guess, I encourage you to guess down in the comments. If you are right, which I don't think any of you will be, I will give you a shout out in the next video. But without further delay, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so just opening this bag, which I have already done, I will now show you the object. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 2009 Home Depot number 20 Toyota Camry Joey Logano. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open this box up. Just a little background, because I know probably a lot of you are going, what in the world is this doing on an aviation channel? Well, my two passions are airplanes and NASCAR. I have been a diehard NASCAR fan since 2013.
I was actually at Bristol Motor Speedway for last week's NASCAR race.
And ever since 2013, my favorite driver has been Joey Logano. So real quick, if you are a NASCAR fan, I want to know if you are a NASCAR fan, first of all, I know there's a couple in this community, and second, who your favorite driver is. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, because I'm super interested to hear what you have to say. But yeah, I'm a big NASCAR fan, and this is my first 1:24 scale die-cast car. So I'm super excited to see what's inside, and we'll just lift the top off here. This is made by Aviation Racing Collectibles. So it comes in this little foam thing, and oh my goodness, that is amazing. It's autographed too. I found this on eBay for $20. Yes, $20. I mean, there's a little bit of shipping, but it's well worth it. So let me just pick it up, and oh my goodness, it is amazing. The detail though, I mean, I collect the 1:64 scale, and the detail is just like so much better. It's like, this is my hand, and I have a big hand, so this is a really big car. The detail, like the window net is like actually fabric, the car is just so cool. Okay, so this is definitely one of the best purchases I've ever made in my entire life. So first of all, the car, it said it was used on the listing, but it is in perfect condition. Everything is fine. There's only minor paint chips or in scratches just from, I mean, it's from 2009, so you kind of have to expect that. I mean, the thing is literally autographed by Joey Logano, which is like, it's super cool. But we'll go ahead and start up here with the front. So we have the Home Depot, which is sort of covered up by the autograph. Then we have all the decals and stuff. The Camry with the Toyota grill. You got the actual grill. Any of you who do not watch NASCAR, which is probably the majority of you, this is not actually right here. This is not actually the grill. This, well, it looks silver on the camera. That is. So yeah, this is just for looks. This is the actual grill. Also, the headlights are not real. But then you have the top with the number, which is looking good. All of this stuff in here is like detailed as can be. Like, this is actually what it looks like in real life, just 24 times smaller. But yeah, the side looks great as well. You got the Goodyear with all the sponsors, and then you got the number. Home Depot down the side with the Goodyear Eagle tires. I got Joey Logano up there. Got the roll cage bar right there. Just super amazing. It rolls, as you can see. Got the orange 20 up there. Then in the back, You have some. This was when he was a rookie, so you've got the yellow bumper. The back also does open to reveal the fuel compartment, which you can see down in there. You got the windows, super detailed. This is where they would stick a wrench in to adjust the car. Then you got all kinds of hoses and stuff back in there. Fire suppression system, so all that kind of stuff. Also, the roof flaps do open. The roof flaps are for when the car goes backwards, the air then hits this and creates the car from not flipping over, sort of like what you would see with the your speed brakes that deploy on the overwing. That's sort of what these are. Also, the hood does open as well, which reveals the engine, which you can see better in this light. But you have like the little TRD on the engine cowling and stuff. It's just super detailed. You even got the Home Depot up there on the top of the hood. But yeah, I cannot express to you how like cool this is for me. I'm really glad that I saw this on eBay. But yeah, that does sort of conclude this mystery unboxing. I hope you guys aren't too mad at me for it not being a plane, but you know, I just thought it might be cool to put one of my other big passions on the channel. Let me know if you want NASCAR to sort of stick around. That's no problem if you guys do. I would really love making that into a series. But I want to hear what you guys think. Also, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.